Good morning, students. How are you? I am Antosh Marti, my teacher. I am working in the SAPS school. I am going to start the quadratic equation. I have told about more than two questions already. I have solved that. Next question will be started. Next question is given to bracket में 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 minus 3 bracket में x plus 3 by 2x minus 1 equal 5 where are given x not equal minus 3 and 1 by 2. It means never written by x not equal minus 3 and 1 by 2 never will be come. It means first of all write the solution. Given the question 2 bracket में 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 3 minus 3 x plus 3 by 2x minus 1 equal 5. First of all, make it easy. Let 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 equal m. Equation number second and equation number first. Right. So 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 equal m here. 2x minus 1 x plus 3. So write down 2 bracket में m minus 3 x plus 3 opposite here x plus 3 2 x minus 1. It means 3 1 by m equal 5. After that, multiply 2m minus 3 by m plus equal 5. But 2m minus 3 by m transposing of 5 minus 5 equal 0. First of all, LCM write down 2m by 1 5 by 1. So 1 is the LCM is there. So first of multiply by m 2m square minus 3 minus 5m by m equal 0. After that 2m square minus 5m minus 3 equal 0. 2m square minus 5m minus 3 equal 0. Factorization 2m square minus 5m minus 3 equal 0. First of all, multiply 2 3 is 6. It will get the multiply the minus 6 and minus will get the subtraction the minus 5. So first 2m square minus 6 minus 1 m minus 3 equal 0. Because 6 minus 1 equal 5 and 6 into 1 equals 6. So 3 to is 6 and we together minus 5 then. So 2m square minus 6m minus change of minus to plus m minus 3 equal 0. Common here 2m 2m m minus 3 2 3 is 6 plus no one common here so 1 common take the 1 m minus 3 equal 0 after that both are common m minus 3 both m minus 3 and 2m plus 1 equal 0 so m minus 3 equal 0 m equal 3 and 2m plus 1 equal 0 2m equal minus 1 m equal minus 1 by 2 so first of all m equal 3 and m equal minus 1 by 2 we can say right here m equal step first m equal 3 and m equal minus 1 by 2 so step first here let m 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 equal let step first m equal 3 m equal 3 means 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 m put in the 3 take it cross multiply here 3 by 1 2x minus 1 equal 3 3 3 is 9 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 so cross multiply 3x 3 3 is 9 transversal here 2x minus 3x 9 plus 1 minus 1 is transversal here after that 3 less than 2 minus x and 9 up plus 1 10 it means x equal minus 10 first answer and second step here m equal minus 1 by 2 putting this 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 equal m here m equal minus 1 by 2 so write minus 1 by 2 cross multiply 2 to the 4 x minus 2 and minus x minus 3 here 2 to the 4 2 1 the 2 minus 2 and minus 1 x into minus 1 minus x a plus into minus 1 minus 3 it means 4x plus x equal minus 3 plus 2 4x x 5x equal minus 1 x equal minus 1 by 5 so write down your answer x equal minus 10 and x equal minus 1 by 5 answer x equal minus 10 and x equal minus 1 by 5 thank you subscribe and comment also